Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to another video. Friends, I will share you fabric flower crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is weavers. Friends, fabric flower are made from pieces of cloth that are unfolded. Stitches grow into the shape of petal. When the petals are joined together to create a beautiful flower that look both delicate and artistic. They can be made from cotton, silk, soft and chiffon, velvet, or even recycled fabrics. Every material gives the flower a different texture and style. One of the best things about fabric flowers is they last for years. Unlike fresh flowers, they do not fail to dry out. They remain beautiful every season, can be used again and again. And friends, and weavers, this make them a wonderful decoration for home and celebration decoration. And weavers, and weavers. I hope you are enjoying my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates.